Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday said India is rapidly building a complete semiconductor supply chain, or asserted that 10 major semiconductor units from the country are expected to establish a strong global presence in the coming years. Addressing a Rozgar Mela through video conferencing, the Prime Minister said every Indian is working towards the goal of building a developed nation by 2047. He stated that large-scale investments in manufacturing and engineering sectors are creating millions of employment opportunities for the youth. PM Modi highlighted that India is steadily strengthening its semiconductor ecosystem, which he described as a key step towards technological and industrial self-reliance. The Prime Minister also spoke about the government's focus on shipbuilding, aviation, and engineering infrastructure. He said India is developing a comprehensive ecosystem ranging from shipbuilding to refitting and overhauling, with investments worth nearly Rs 75,000 crore. PM Modi further noted that the country is building its own maintenance, repair, and overhaul or MRO ecosystem for the aviation sector. According to him, the initiative will reduce dependence on overseas facilities for aircraft maintenance and create significant employment opportunities for Indian youth. Emphasizing India's growing global partnerships, the Prime Minister said new collaborations are opening fresh avenues for Indian startups, researchers, and professionals. He added that Indian youth are gaining access to advanced technologies, international markets, and new growth prospects. Modi remarked that countries capable of innovating, manufacturing, and delivering at scale are respected globally, and India is progressing rapidly in all three areas due to the strength of its young population. Earlier during the event, Prime Minister Modi distributed over 51,000 appointment letters to newly recruited candidates under the Rozgar Mela initiative. Congratulating the recruits, he said they were becoming responsible partners in India's development journey at a crucial time for the country.